Hello guys, welcome to most important part of Coreldraw. What's new in Coreldraw 2026? Two important keys for graphic designer to create design, image, and for those graphic designer who is new in Coreldraw to create different sizes for printing press and social media. So the most important point or key is going to create a new document. You don't need to search about Facebook cover design. You don't need to search about Instagram design. You must go to a new document. There you have a tab. When you expand this, you can go to select social. There is a lot of different sizes. Facebook post, Facebook app, Facebook cover. And there is another important part is printing. You can select a different printing sizes and devices for iMac, for iPhone, and more. So, and the next key and the next important update in CorelDRAW 2026 is going to object. You can see AI generate. It's new in CorelDRAW. So when you go to AI generate, there you have a remix image and create image. And there you can find the tab is here, AI generate. So I need to use this. How to use AI generated? Go to object, go to AI generate, click on create image. So right here, your prompt, right here, your command. So I need to create a golden, so create golden car. And now there you can select the size, in which size you need to create portrait, square, landscape, widescreen. And there you can select the styles. You need to create this design in 3D render. You need to create this design in photorealistic illustration. I need to select the illustration. So do you have any idea about color palette? In which color? So here I have prompted to golden color, and there the image quantity, you need to one image, two image, or three. So I need just one image. Click on generate and wait in progress. So guys, in CorelDRAW we have another new update too. Just a little bit wait. Here you can see the generated image. So create golden car in size of the artboard. Select, change the size and zoom in, set to center. Okay guys, if you need to change the model of the generated, go to model nano banana. You can select another style, nano banana 2. Click here and there you can test on this one. So I need create a little girl in jungle to reading story book with a cute deer. So select aspect ratio, size of the image, and then click on generate. Select your first generated image if you need to use it. Select cut or copy this one and wait for another image. Here is images generated. So guys, select and change the size, set to center. And don't forget, guys, you can change styles of the image. You can change style in 3D render. You can change photorealistic. And there I have selected the model of the AI Nano Banana 2, and the style is illustration or vector design. So if you need to make editable, don't forget select the image and go to where there you have bitmap and click on quick trace. Click on quick trace. You can make in vector, or you can convert this raster image into vector. So if you need to convert in details, so you must go to bitmap and first select, go to bitmap and go to detail logo or high quality image. You can see the result of the trace in here. Little bit, wait. Here is converted in vector design with detail. So guys, thanks for watching. This was about the most important update in Coreldraw 2026. Have a good time, good luck, all of you.